Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rasterize the text and shape in Photoshop when the rasterization is needed. If you want to erase the text and shape layer with the eraser tool, the rasterization is needed. When you want to apply the filter effect on shape layer or text, you need to rasterization. When you want to draw something on the shape or your text with the brush tool, the rasterization is needed. Let's start how to rasterize the text and shape layer. I already have my stage ready with a text and a shape layer. This is a shape layer and this is a text layer. So first I will make the text rasterized. From the layer panel, select the text layer and right click, Rasterize Type. The text is rasterized and the text is no more editable. Now you can erase this text with the eraser tool. Like, you see the effect? Yeah. And you can draw on it. I have selected a brush tool and drawing a line on it. You see, I have been able to draw a line on the text. I am undoing the line. Now I will make this shape layer rasterized. Similarly, click on the shape layer and make Rasterize Layer, and layer is rasterized. Now you can apply the filter on it like pins. See the result? You see the result? So if we don't make the shape layer rasterized, we will not be able to apply the filter on that. We have a lot of filter effect in Photoshop. We cannot apply these on the shape layer directly. I hope the explanation is clear to you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.